Hi, my name is Patrick. This specific video is to basically announce about a CAT special batch. We usually have it every year. So this year we will have a special batch for CAT. Basically, we take a few students and train them for the final touches of the CAT. Now, first of all, how are the students selected? So we have a mock test series called Patrick 100 Mocks. So you have to buy that mocks basically. So we select students based only on the performance on the Patrick 100 mocks. So approximately top 30 students from the mocks will be selected for a special batch, and this year it will be starting from 6th of November. Okay. Apart from that, you're expected to write at least two mocks before that date. So before your selection date, at least two mocks so that we can judge your performance and accordingly select you for the course. You will also have to produce something else as a proof of your performance. So maybe we can ask you maybe your past CAT performance or maybe your performance in some other mocks just to justify your scores. But technically, you have to write the CAT Patrick 100 mocks and you would have at least two mocks before 6th of November in order to get selected for this special batch. Now, what is this special batch that we're talking about? Today will be approximately 6 sessions to fine tune your CAT preparation. So obviously, since you're scoring well in the mocks, we're assuming you have done with your preparation is almost done. So we'll have final 6 sessions which will be there, which includes methods to solve faster. A few sessions will be there where we look at few methods that will help you maybe solve faster. You can check if that helps you to solve faster, great, you can utilize that methods. We'll also focus on strategy, what works, what doesn't work. So if you really want to score a real high percentile, so what is the strategy that will be good for you? Apart from that, psychology required to crack the exam, the way you need to think, the way you need to go about. A lot of people crack in the examination. They are not able to perform because mental issue. It's not about it, they cannot, but psychologically they're not prepared well. So here we also look at psychology in terms of how to ensure that you don't break down in the examination or you don't goof up. So try to give your best as far as possible in the exam. Okay. Also, we'll have some mock solving where I will try to solve the mocks, okay, live and show you how a mock is solved by 100 percentiler in terms of the process of solving the mock. How do you pace yourself, the strategy, etc. So I'll be discussing the mock solving with you in the batch. Apart from that, you will have lectures on 6 sessions. So Saturday, 2 Saturdays at 9 to 10:30, 2 Sundays from 9 to 10:30, and weekdays at 9 to 10:30 p.m. So Sunday it is in the morning, in other days it's in the evening. So 6 sessions totally as far as the CAT special batch goes. But understand you can't join by paying the fees because the course itself is free of cost. It's only for students who scored well in the mock test series, they are selected for the batch. We have had students who have scored amazingly well as far as the CAT goes from the special batch. Okay, to give you brief details of the test series that we talk about, which you need to buy to get into this course. There are 10 tests which we have. It's designed by me and ma'am, Toshal ma'am. We also normally take mock taking strategies for the students who join test series. And top performers normally join the special batch that we're talking about, right? The fees for the test series is 1900. If you want to join a test series, you can pay online on prep.patrick100.com or you can contact this number or email at coin@coinacademy.com for the test series. Right? I hope this information is sufficient. Thank you.